When deciding on the location of a region, select a region that is close to your users of application. However, the selection of a region is also dependent on many other factors, like check the availability of specific services in the individual regions. Ensure that you comply with the security requirements such as country or industry specific data privacy regulations. Also consider the location of other cloud offerings you are using. You might have to locate your solution in the same data center. For example, if you want to build an extension for SAP SuccessFactors, it must run in the same region as SAP SuccessFactors, which runs only in SAP data centers. Let's check the SAP's official websites about the region and services. This is the official page of SAP. It provides all the information about the regions and the services. If you scroll down, then on the first column, you can see the name of the service that is being provided. On the second, you can see what type of environment. Is it a Neo or Cloud Foundry? We will talk about it later. Third one is the capability. It is the category that we saw earlier. The fourth one is infrastructure, whether the data center belongs to SAP or it belongs to Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. The fifth part is the region, in which region the application and data centers will be hosted. And the last is the release status, so you can see that it is available. Now let's see how to decide which region to select and according to services. So I will press Ctrl F and I will find, for example, I want to go with HANA. So I will select with HANA. So on the left hand side, on the first column, you can see that SAP HANA Cloud is available on Cloud Foundry environment and it is hosted on Amazon Web Services and Azure. HANA Cloud is available on the data center of Europe, US East, Australia in the Amazon Web Services data center. But in the Microsoft Azure, it is available on Europe, Netherlands, and US West. So if you want to install the SAP HANA Cloud, then you can select any location that is close to your users.